Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, welcome to Get Veganized. Today we're going to make a vegan tempeh buffalo style sandwich. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to start off today we're going to make the sauce for the marinade for the tempeh. I'm going to start off with a half cup of coconut oil. Next we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of Frank's Red Hot Cayenne Pepper sauce. Next I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. The next ingredient I will add will be white vinegar. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons. The next ingredient I will add will be a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Next I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of Chipolte ground pepper. This is going to be hot. Now I'll put this on the stove over medium heat and stir until smooth. In the meantime, I'm going to cut up my tempeh. This is the tempeh I've decided to use today. It's by Light Life, it's organic, and it's 3 grain. So I will cut it like I always cut it. Cut it in half the long way, and then split it. Alright, now we'll go over to the stove. Here we are on the stove, heating this up so it's all smooth, stirring constantly. Making sure all the ingredients are incorporated. Now that the coconut oil has melted, I'm waiting for it to start to bubble. Then I know to turn off the heat, and I'll be able to put it over the tempeh. Alright, there go the bubbles. It's time to turn the heat off. Alright, we're back at the cutting board. I'm going to put this in the pan, pour the marinade in, and marinate the tempeh. Here's the dish that I will marinate it in. And here we go. Woo! It smells hot. Alright, I'm going to put my lid on this and pop it in the fridge for a couple hours, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm back. It's 2 hours later, and I made a little boo-boo. When I put this in the fridge, it solidified, so I popped it in the microwave for 45 seconds, and it's better. I did turn the tempeh before I put it in the fridge, so it absorbed some of the marinade. Alright, the next step is to bake it. I'm going to bake it in my toaster oven for about 20 minutes, about 425. Here I have a foil lined baking pan with Pam on it. Alright, here we go. Alright, I like fresh black ground pepper, so I'm going to put some on top. And into the oven they go. And here they are in the oven with 20 minutes on the clock, 425, and we'll be back in a couple minutes. Hey, it's Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and here's my tempeh in the toaster oven. I lowered the temperature down to 325 for 10 minutes. This is what it looks like so far. Pretty good looking, sizzling. Alright, I'll see you in about 8 minutes. Okay, here we are, we're back. It's out of the toaster. Getting ready to plate it up. Cut up some tomato, onion, lettuce, and put it on a piece of flatbread, along with the vegan blue cheese dressing that I made last week. Here's the blue cheese dressing. I'm going to put a little on here. Maybe a little on the bottom as well. Then for my lettuce, put the tempeh on right here. Tomato and onion. A little more dressing on top of the tempeh. And there you have it. Buffalo style tempeh sandwich. Let's give it a taste. So delicious. This is really yummy. The blue cheese dressing really sets it off. Thank you for watching. Get Veganized today, and we'll see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.